In today's video, I'll be showing you how to optimize your LinkedIn profile. This is my sister's profile. As you can see, there is no enough information, and this kind of profile cannot land you a job, I promise you. It won't even attract views because there's nothing to look at. To view your full profile, click on the me icon up there, then you click on view profile. Then you'll be able to see your entire profile. If you've added some informations before, you'll see all the informations you've added, but for this profile there's nothing here. So I'm going to start adding the information from the cover photo down to the certification. Let's go. To make it easy for me, I first of all write out all of the information that I need to put out on the LinkedIn profile. So here you can see, starting from the profile headline down to education, skills, selection, everything. So what I'm going to be doing going forward is to just come here, copy from here, paste on the LinkedIn profile. This is straightforward and very easy. I'm going to start by updating our profile name and profile heading. To do that, click on the pen icon under the cover photo. Scroll down, then you can add your middle name. Adding your middle name or an additional name is not compulsory. You can choose not to add it. Just make sure that your first name and your last name matches the name on your international passport, which you will need for your identity verification. The next thing is to add the profile title. So now I'm going to just copy from this document here, which I shared with you guys earlier. Go back and paste it here. I'm going to also do the same for the education. So you just scroll down to the education. If you also want to add your job or your work experience, you can add from here, add new position, but for now I want to add education first. So just click on it, then add your education information from your school name down to when you started, when you finished, and then add the skills that you gained during your education or from your education. If you attended more than one school, you can add. If you did multiple programs and you want to write them here, you're free to do that as well. My sister first of all did ND and then later did HND. Now it's time to change the profile photo to something more professional and clean. To do this, tap on the profile photo, then click on upload. It's going to take you to the next page, which will allow you upload from your gallery or from your computer, whatever. So now I'm just going to upload a photo that is clean. The profile photo you're going to use for LinkedIn has to be clean, sharp, and professional, preferably a headshot. On this page, you can adjust the photo to sit well, just the way you want it. If you want to zoom in, you want to zoom out. When you're done, then you click on Save Changes. Now let's change the cover photo. To change the cover photo, you just need to click on the pen icon there and click on Edit Cover Image. LinkedIn already has a lot of options here for you. If you want to choose from their own options, fine. If you want to upload from your phone, you can just use the other option there, but I'm just going to pick one from here and then click on Save. To be able to add more information, you need to create those sections. For this profile, I'm going to create the About section, work experience, and license and certifications. There are lots of other things depending on the things you want to add to your profile. The About section or Bio section is where you talk briefly about yourself, your skills, your level or years of experience. All of this has been written down here already, so I'm just going to copy it and paste it there and then edit it to make it easy to read by giving it some spaces in between. Make sure you click on Save before you exit the page so everything will be updated. To add work experience, click on Add Position. It will open up the next page for you to fill out details of your work experience. If you're still working in that role, you just ensure you click on I am currently working in this role. If you're no longer working in that role, don't click that, so it will also show that you're no longer working in that role. Add your job title, your employer type, employment type, and all the necessary information. Start date, end date, those are for the jobs that you've already done before. You're no longer doing it. If it's a current job, it's not going to show you end date. For the job description, you need to list out the responsibilities, the things you did while you were working in that role, and also you're going to add the skills. What skills did you use that made it possible for you to successfully work in that role? All of these details are very important because these skills are going to reflect on your profile. People will see it, and these are things that help you also show up in searches. When they're looking for people with these skills, your profile will pop up. So ensure you pay attention to this section. The information here is different because I forgot to screen record this part while I was optimizing my sister's profile. I just had to do this with my phone to complete this section. I'm almost done. The last thing I want to add is her certification. Now, these certifications are super important. It shows how much you're improving yourself. So now you go to add certification. Now you're going to write the name on the certificate, the company that issued it, or the organization that issued you the certificate. All of these details will be based on the particular certificate you want to add. Add the issue date and year, and also add the expiration date. There are some certificates that have expiration dates. For this one, I want to add there's no expiration date. Then you're also going to add the skills that you gained from that training, and then a photo of the certificate if you have it. So here I've uploaded the photo, and I'm also going to describe, a short description of what the training was about, and also the title on the certificate. So all of this is based on the one you have. After all of this is done, I'm just going to click on save. I am done with everything now. You can always edit the information on your profile by using the pen icon on each section. So depending on the information you want to update, just scroll to that section and click on the pen icon by the side. Then you can remove or add. Going through the whole profile, every section has been filled out correctly. Now this is how you show up on LinkedIn professionally, ready and all set up for success. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you found this video really helpful. If you have any problem, if you need help, just drop it in the comment section and I'll surely reach out to you. Bye.